See students, while solving such trigonometric related problems, first we need to check is there any possibility of trigonometric simplification. If trigonometric simplification possibility is there, the first aim is we need to simplify it to the least term. So here clearly possibility exists. So we can write this one as 1 plus 2 divided by cos x can be written as 2 by secant x divided by sin x into 2 plus secant x. Here if you take LCM, so then what will get? Secant x plus 2 divided by secant x, write neatly. So here it is secant x into sin x into 2 plus secant x. Then these two divides each other. Then what left? 1 by secant x into sin x, that is what? Tan x. So because 1 by sin, so sin by cos is tan. So 1 by tan means what? Cot. That means this whole thing is equivalent to cot x. Then the period of cot x is, we know that whatever may be the power, period of cot x is always pi. If f of x equals to sin x plus sin 2x plus sin 4x plus sin 5x divided by cos x, cos 2x, cos 4x and cos 5x. This is the question. Now in such questions, students, this whole thing is there means first we need to simplify it as a simple trigonometric function. So we need to simplify it as a simple trigonometric function. So here see, while simplifying we need to make a proper choice instead of applying sin c plus sin d or sin a plus sin b blindly. So we will take pairs to see. So I am taking these two as a pair and these two as a pair. So the advantage is see, x plus 5x, that is 6x by 2 is 3x, and here also 2x plus 4x, 6x by 2 is 3x. There is a possibility of getting 3x. So we prefer that one. See, sin x plus sin 5x formula I am writing directly, 2 sin x plus 5x, that is 6x by 2 into cos x minus 5x. X minus 5x is minus 4x by 2. Next, plus middle two terms. So for this also we will apply sin c plus sin d, that is 2 sin c plus d by 2 means 6x by 2 into cos difference of those two, 2x minus 4x is minus 2x by 2. So whole divided by, next also same. Now cos c plus cos d formula, cos c plus cos d formula is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. That is 2 cos c plus d by 2, x plus 5x means again 6x by 2 into cos x minus 5x, that is minus 4x by 2 plus 2 cos, same again 6x by 2 into cos, here we will get minus 2x by 2. So this is the difference. So now here, so what we will get is 2 sin 3x into cos of minus x is cos x only, plus there we will get a 2 sin 3x into cos x divided by, so here we will get 2 cos 3x into cos x plus 2 cos 3x into cos x. Here we will get cos 2x. 4x by 2 is cos 2x. Now from the numerator we can take 2 sin 3x common. If 2 sin 3x is common, then we will get here cos 2x plus cos x. And denominator we can take 2 cos 3x. So 2 cos 3x common means we will get cos 2x plus cos x. Now these two divides each other, then what left here is tan 3x. Now your question is simplified as tan 3x. Therefore, period of f of x equals to, tan period is pi but x coefficient is 3, so we will get pi by 3. If period of tan root of step of nx is pi by 3, then n belongs to how much? Try this question, students. Nine to 10. Anyone else?
Yes,
9 to 10. Okay, students, we'll check this one. See, period of tan square root of greatest integer of nx is, you know that pi divided by square root of greatest integer of n. So this is according to the theory. We will get a period of tan ax will be pi by a. So but given pi by square root of greatest integer function of n equals to pi by 3. That implies square root of greatest integer function is equals to 3. That means greatest integer function equals to 9. Now we know the concept, greatest integer of n is 9, then n should lie in between 9 and 10, or n belongs to closed interval 9 and open interval 10.